Hello and welcome back to day 2 of the AI for Musicians series. One of the things that is very crucial for musicians, especially the ones who are just starting out, is to be able to play around with vocal, music, and other instruments in the music. So let's quickly check what is one tool that can help us do this free of cost. So the platform is vocalremover.org. Okay, and I have not even signed up yet. I'm able to upload the files and do everything. So let's see what are the options available and how can we use this platform. So browse my files. I am going to day 2 and we have this particular music. Let me play this music for you. It says audio processing, artificial intelligence algorithm now works. It may take a minute. So let's wait. Okay. Now you can see here we have music, full volume. So let me play this. This is the full music.
Since you left that night.
Okay. Now if I reduce the volume of the vocal completely and play, it will just be music. I can do it the other way as well. I can reduce the music to 0 and have vocal.
But your ghost still stays. My heart keeps calling you. Even.
Okay. I can also just increase the music to, let's say, 2022 and have the vocal full.
When I try to move, I still hear your name.
I can reduce the vocal volume to, let's say, 50.
Then nothing feels the same.
Okay, so I can play around with whatever variation I need, and of course click on save, right? So do I want music, vocal, music plus vocal, right? So let me click on music plus vocal, and in less than a minute I should have this file available for me. And you see that's downloaded. Okay, now let me just delete this. Let's move on to splitter, right? And this particular option is where it splits everything: music, vocal, bass, drums, everything. So let's test this out. I'll use the same song. It's uploading. Audio processing. It will be done in less than a minute. Okay, there you go. So we have music, vocal, bass, and drums. And if I just remove the music, we'll have just bass and drum. Let's play this. You can see here we have bass and drums both together. Right, now let me slowly add music. Even for example, if you want to just listen to vocal, right, where you don't want any other musical disturbance or something like that, you can just remove all of this.
What you left behind, EMPTY still lives in my mind.
Right, you can play around, and of course you can download this as well. Okay, we have two options. One is WAV file and one more is MP3 file. Right, the moment you click on save, it is going to be downloaded on your system. Okay, let's move on. Then we have picture. Okay, so here it allows you to play around with the pitch of the song. So let me just upload it. Right, let me play this without any changes.
Left that night, I can't sleep alright. Thought I'd be okay, but your ghost still stays. My heart keeps calling you. Even when I try to move, I still hear your name. Man, nothing feels the same.
You can see here, as and when I change this, right, the key is getting changed, right? So you can check that out as well. Okay, so this is the one which is the default, which is B major, it says. I'm not really sure what that means. I'm not a musician, or I have no knowledge on musical things. Coming back, we also have the speed. Okay.
It's hurting me now. I still miss you every night. Your empty side.
And based on the speed that you play around with, okay, your BPM, which is beats per minute, also will change. Okay, of course, you can play around with this and then click on save, which means you will get the updated music downloaded. Let's move on to key BPM finder. So basically, if you upload the song, it will tell you what is the BPM of that particular song. And based on what we have seen here, BPM was 140, and there you go. We also got it as 140 here, right? So artist is Group 8 CGN. Okay, title is Heart Empty, and BPM is 140. Key is BB major, and Camelot is 6B. I don't know what Camelot means. Anyways. Right, so let me add one more track. Let's say this one, which is KGF Kannada song, and it is calculated to be 140 BPM, right? And key is E minor, and Camelot is 9A. Once you add all the songs that you need, all the tracks that you need, you can just click on export CSV, and that will be downloaded as CSV file. Okay, now we have two of the important features that any musician may need, okay, or even content creators who wants to add music, right, where you can either cut the audio or join the audios. Okay, so we have cutter and joiner. Again, cutter, you can get the music and then you can choose whatever you want. So let's say, for example,
Since you left that night, nothing feels the same.
Okay. So I've chosen about 30 seconds here. Okay, let's assume that I want it for 30 seconds. I can also play around with this one here. So let me make it exactly 30 seconds, right? And I can just click on cut. Okay, now you see that I've got exactly 30 seconds of music. I can play this.
Since you left that night, I can't sleep.
Right, and click on save, which means you will get exactly 30 seconds of audio. Let me play this.
Since you left that night, I can't sleep.
Right, so 25 seconds plus 5 seconds, 30 seconds. This is cutter. Now we have joiner. Let me go here and let's say this one and this one, both of them. Click on open. Right, we have two music. So you can play them together by cutting them differently. Let's say, for example, I'll go with initially this one. Okay, again, let's go for just about 0.6. This is 15 seconds. And let me come here and change. Okay, so let me I don't know why it's going back there. I want it to be here. So let's say something like this, right? So it need not be exact match. You can also like just say, okay, I would want something like this. Okay, this 15 seconds from here and around 12 seconds from here. I'll just make it as 15 seconds as well. So we have about 30 seconds all together, right? So I'll click on save. Now you see that the first part will be of this and second part will be of this. Let me play this.
Since you left that night, I can't sleep alright. Thought I'd be okay, but your ghost still stays. My heart.
You see that the first song was this one for 15 seconds and then 15 seconds this one, right? Of course, you will have to see the beat and all of that and then play around to cut and mix them together. Okay, like I mentioned, I'm not a musician, so the cut and joining might have not been so accurate. Anyways, let's go with the recorder. And this is an option where it will allow you to record something. Let's say, for example, I'll say allow while visiting the site. Hey everyone, thank you for joining this particular session. We are doing vocalremover.org and we have explored so far remover, splitter, pitcher, key BPM finder, cutter, joiner, and right now we are on recorder. And soon after this is done, we'll also see karaoke. So once I'm done with this, I can just play this. Now see the beauty. Hey everyone, thank you for joining this particular. You see that this looks as though I have recorded from a large hall or something like that, right? So let's particular session we are doing vocalremover.org and we have explored so far remover, splitter, pitcher, key BPM finder, cutter, joiner, and right now we are on recorder. And soon after this is done, we'll also see karaoke. Hey everyone, thank you for joining this particular session. We are doing vocalremover.org and we have explored so far remover, splitter, pitcher, key BPM finder, cutter, joiner, and right now we are on recorder. And soon after this is done, we'll also see karaoke. So you can see here I added the echo and the time. That's why you could hear some echo. Let me go over here. So see karaoke. Right. So this way you can actually play around with these options and then click on save. You will get the exact output. Now this is amazing actually. Okay, let's go to the last one, which is karaoke. I'll have to delete this because if you leave anything unattended, then it'll ask you to delete that file. Okay, they don't store any files on their server. Now here, record voice over a song, sing and record, tune, voice, and save complete song. Choose karaoke track you want to sing with, right? So one thing is, if you want just the background music, then you can use remover to remove the vocal and get the music only, upload it here and you can sing, right? So browse my files. Let me just go here and let's see if we have music plus vocal. Okay, this is again music plus vocal. We don't have a single thing. Tin 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 tin. Okay, so both of this is recorded, so I can play around with this. Tin 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 tin. Okay, so I can play around with voice sync, the volume, okay, reverb and equalizer. So you can make any changes that you need in each of these 4 options and then click on save. So that's all we had for vocal remover. I hope you enjoyed this particular video, and if so, please do share it with others who are into music. And if you know any other AI tools for music, do let us know in the comments below so that we can share it with others. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. 3 more to go.